Hi guys, if you want to buy this Apple iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gigabytes, with a limited time discount, check out the link in the description below. Now let's talk about a phone that still holds its ground in 2025, the iPhone 12 Pro. Sleek, powerful, and packed with features that were ahead of their time, it's still a top-tier choice for anyone looking for performance and polish in one device. Starting with the display, you get a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR screen, and trust me, it still looks incredible. With a resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels, this OLED panel delivers deep contrast, sharp detail, and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming Netflix, editing photos, or just browsing, it offers a premium viewing experience. And yes, it supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, pushing over 10 billion colors for truly lifelike visuals. Apple really nailed the cinematic experience with this one. Under the hood, it ships with iOS 14, but it's upgradable to iOS 15, so you're getting all the latest Apple software perks, including improved FaceTime, smarter notifications, and better app organization. Performance-wise, the A14 Bionic chip is no joke. Hexa-core CPU, Apple's custom 4-core GPU. It's smooth, it's responsive, and it handles multitasking and gaming effortlessly. Even years later, this chip still competes with many flagships on the market. Now let's talk durability. The ceramic shield front is tougher than most glass panels out there. It's even stronger than Gorilla Glass Victus. Plus, Apple adds an oleophobic coating, so fingerprints and oil are less of an issue. The phone is also rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, meaning it can survive in up to 6 meters of water for 30 minutes. So whether you're out in the rain or near the pool, it's got you covered. In terms of storage, this model has 6 gigabytes of RAM and comes in 64, 128, and 256 gigabytes options. No microSD card slot here, it's iPhone after all, so choose your internal storage wisely. On the connectivity side, it supports everything: GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. This is a true global phone. Whether you're at home or abroad, you're connected. Now, let's dive into the camera system. Apple gave us a triple lens setup: the 12MP wide lens with OIS, a 12MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultrawide for those sweeping landscape shots. Photo quality is excellent, and video capabilities are even better. You're getting 4K and 1080p recording with stereo sound. There's also dual LED flash, panorama mode, and HDR10 support. The front camera is no slouch either, a 12MP wide sensor with SL 3D depth sensing. It's perfect for selfies and Face ID, and yes, it shoots 4K video with Dolby Vision too. Security? Face ID is your main unlock method here, and it's fast and reliable. Other sensors include an accelerometer, compass, barometer, and gyroscope. No headphone jack on this one, sorry, wired audio fans, but the stereo speakers sound fantastic, loud, clear, and crisp. Battery life? You're looking at a 3,687 mAh battery, which is good for a full day of use and then some. It supports 22W fast charging, wireless charging, and charges via Lightning to USB-C, USB 2.0 standard. Wireless support includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC for Apple Pay. Color options? You've got some classy choices: silver, private, Pacific blue. And as always, you're backed by Apple's 1-year limited warranty. Now let's break down why this phone might still be worth it in 2025. That gorgeous Super Retina XDR display, Dolby Vision and HDR10 for lifelike visuals, a 14 Bionic chip that's still incredibly capable, IP68 water and dust resistance, a versatile triple camera system with 4K video, Face ID for secure unlocking, great build quality with ceramic shield protection, 22W fast charging plus wireless charging, full 5G support. If you're still deciding, here are a few FAQs I get asked a lot. Question: does it support 4K video recording? Yes, on both the front and rear cameras. Question: is the display OLED? Absolutely. Super Retina XDR OLED with Dolby Vision and HDR10. Question: can I take it in water? It's IP68 rated, water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. Question: how's the performance? The A14 chip still handles multitasking and gaming beautifully. Question: does it have Face ID? Yes, and it's as fast and secure as ever. Question: can I expand the storage? Nope. No micro SD slot, so choose your storage option wisely. Question: what's the battery life like? Solid all-day battery with fast charging and wireless support. Question: is it still worth buying? For most people? If you want premium features, reliable performance, and Apple's ecosystem without paying for the latest model, this is a great buy. Here's what you get in the box: the iPhone 12 Pro, a SIM ejector tool, a warranty card, basic documentation, and a Lightning to USB-C cable. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more awesome tech content. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll see you in the next one.